What's going on, guys? I just want to give a quick shout out to all these guys that recently just subscribed. I see you guys. Look at you. Hey, thank you guys so much for the support. Please click that like button, subscribe, so that way we can have more videos like this, and possibly soon a giveaway. What is up, guys? XXI Chris here, and in today's video I have a special unboxing for you guys. So the homies Banggood hit me up. They're like, hey, we want to send you out a keyboard. Are you up for the offer? I'm like, yeah, sure, send me a keyboard, why not? And so we got ourselves a nice keyboard. They sent me, drum roll please. Okay, stop. The AN Pro 2, 60% dual mode mechanical keyboard, persist in change, make it different. Going around the box, we have AN Pro 2, AN Pro 2, 60%, white. I guess this is like the SKU number. AN Pro 2, and the back of the box. AN Pro 2, keep change, magic function key, double function, tap key, full RGB, offline macro, and software control center. And yeah, opening the box. Such a strong presentation. You open the box and bam, you got all white, and then the keyboard, which is also white. I will be showing the keyboard last. I saw a few comments that they're like, oh no, I just skipped to the video to the end. So we're putting this aside. AN Pro 2 quick start guide. And it's also a Bluetooth, a wireless Bluetooth. I guess just, you know, literally quick start instructions. And don't worry, we're gonna get to the sound test, the typing test, and everything like that, like how I have done in my previous videos. We have a red USB-C cable. Nice, it's actually pretty good quality. A keycap remover. Oh, nice, and different keycaps. I guess for your function keys or your mod keys. That's pretty cool. I think I actually might use this. Opening up the keyboard right now. These are also blue switches. I forgot to mention. Blue switches on the AN Pro 2. Bada boom, bada bing. Dang, that's so sleek. That is sexy. I'd say it's very comparable to the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Actually, the white one that I've unboxed, this is pretty much that comparison. I don't have the white one with me right now. However, I do have my 1-2 Mini Frozen Llama. Frozen Llama coming in. There you go. I will say the AN Pro 2 stands up higher without using any stands, because it only has like the raised body. So this one is kind of flat, and then it has the support. So comparing the two, the AN Pro has more of a lifted body. I will have to say that is very new to me, but some people might have a preference for that, some people might not. I'm not too sure if I have a preference for it. I'm gonna have to test this out, game on this for a few weeks, and really get the test out of it. But I'm not opposed to it, actually. I'm pretty impressed by that. So I'm just gonna hit the keys a few times. I'm not gonna do the sound test just yet. It will be in a few clips, so don't skip out on this. Let's do a quick sound comparison with the camera audio. Sound test. going around the keyboard, you can see that underneath the caps, they actually have the function keys. So you have up and down arrows, the F keys, page up, page down, and then the N Pro lettering right there. Going around the keyboard, very sleek, very clean. On the back of the keyboard, you have the USB on the left side of the keyboard. I only mentioned that because I'm not too sure if left is standard, so some might have it on the right, not too sure. On the bottom, you have some rubber feet. You have 4, 01, and Pro sticker, and then on. Okay, so I got it plugged in, turned on the computer. I turned off the lights a little bit so you can see the RGB action. This right now is just going through a cycle of colors. It looks blue, but it's green, or this is like yellow greenish. Green, it's like a sky blue. It's like a dark purple bluish type of color. This is purple. I like this. This is actually really cool. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see what it looks like in light. By the way, what I'm doing to change is I'm pressing F2 and then the F9 key. So as you can see, this is like a cycle of colors. I think this is what I would keep it on. And this is just from what I learned reading the quick start guide quickly. This is also pretty cool. It looks like I will have a lot of fun with this keyboard. And then not to mention that it is Bluetooth. So this is my iPhone right here, as you can see. And Pro 2 P3. And yeah, alrighty guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Tell me if you guys have an AN Pro 2, where you bought it from. This was the unboxing of the AN Pro 2 sent by Banggood. The link is going to be in the description. Why not check it out? Check the options that they have, not just the AN Pro 2, but any other keyboard that they do sell. Let me know in the comments below if you already have this keyboard, if you're in the market for the keyboard, if you're looking for any other keyboard. Let me know because I want to check out other products so I can review, unbox for you guys. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Click the link down below if you guys want to purchase this keyboard, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.